last night. You know what that does? I have an idea.
Hello?
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 Hey, what's up?
What?
Check the fridge. Go in there. When does your milk expire?
Who what?
When does your milk expire?
Oh,
This is the dairy.
yesterday.
Oh, yesterday.
Oh.
Check your milk.
Oh, okay.
Check your milk.
Okay.
Check your milk.
I did. Okay, now what?
Okay, check your milk.
I did. Now what?
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 Speak English, my friend.
Yeah, I'm speaking English. What do you want me to speak?
English. You dummy.
Okay. Okay. Go ahead.
Do you use shampoo? What kind of shampoo do you use?
Hang up and don't ever call me again. That's
kiss
English.
My butt hair. Kiss my butt hair, you smelly ape.
Hairy ape. Yes.
Yes,
I'm a hairy ape.
Dirty pig.
You call again, I will come get you.
You're gonna murder me?